Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a stock trading journal. Begin by understanding its core purpose, to systematically record and analyze your trading activities. This practice is crucial for identifying strengths and weaknesses in your approach, ultimately leading to more informed decisions and better results in the market. When logging your trades, be thorough. Capture the exact entry and exit prices, along with the date, time, and number of shares. Crucially, document your rationale for each trade and your emotional state. Don't forget to note your planned stop loss and take profit points for future review. You have several options for your journal. A basic spreadsheet like Excel or Google Sheets is excellent for data organization and simple calculations. For more advanced analytics, consider specialized trading journal software. Alternatively, a physical notebook can offer a focused, screen-free journaling experience. The real value comes from reviewing your journal. Dedicate time to analyze your trades, looking for patterns in both successes and failures. Track your overall profit and loss to gauge progress. Use these insights to adjust your trading strategies and improve your decision-making for future trades.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.